Magistrate. My name is Micky. How can I help you today?
Hello, Mickey. My name is Dante Espinoza. I had a case there last year, case number M147 DR 2024 00037.
Okay.
Okay. The case had been dismissed by Judge Reed Chase on December 10th of last year.
Yeah, it looks like the DA's office dismissed it.
Correct. And that's what I understand as well. However, I'm seeking at this point to perhaps receive some type of a affidavit from your court, Miss Judy's courtroom, stating reasons that the case was dismissed in her court because and for the reasons of this case that was dismissed in the courtroom there was then the same day filed in the district court. And the district court this last week, Judge Gurley had stated on record that the reason my case was given to the district court was because of my actions and my giving to the magistrate court some type of problem or problems which then forced them to remove themselves from the case or yourselves and give it to the district. And so I understand that not to be the case whatsoever. And I don't believe that ever took place. I don't.
You're correct, yeah.
Right, and that's just it. And so the Judge Gurley is stating that the reason my case is before him, and again, this is all on record. This took place on the 25th, this last Monday, the 25th, and he stated that the reason was because I had created problems in the courtroom. And so I'm asking if these are not true, I'm going to need to perhaps receive some type of an affidavit that I could present it on my own behalf for my own defense because I just don't feel it's correct. And if it is correct, I would like the court to publish that for me so that I could understand and have an understanding of it. You know.
Yeah, no, I understand. So with I can give you a copy of the dismissal showing proof that it was the district attorney's office that did file it. They are the ones that dismissed it, and showing proof that the judge's signature isn't even on this, since that is done through the district attorney's office. Let me see what else in our system for this case that even would have hinted at any reason for dismissal. Give me just a moment.
Yes.
yeah, it looks like regarding I know that there was a motion to grant a Franks hearing filed in which judge had requested a motion hearing so they can discuss it, and she wanted that hearing set in January, and the case was dismissed in December.
Correct.
And that was the one that you filed. So if you needed copies of that as well, and the response showing when judge wanted that hearing, and the dismissal has the date of that, the case being dismissed on there as well.
Okay. Yeah, and I do have all of those. I've already requested them, and I do have them somewhere on my documents. I know, and so at this point, I don't know that I would actually need to request those again. At this point, it was just, and again, I understand and know that that was the reason, because I filed two motions. One was to suppress, and one was for the Franks hearing, and one was granted on the 11/26 a response, and the other was 12/3, and the case was dismissed on 12/10, and so yeah, I have all of that information, but it's.
Did you want to go ahead and file another motion requesting that, and maybe we can get judge to respond with what you need? Because I'd be able to just provide the documentation, but it sounds like you have all the documentation leading up to the dismissal.
Correct.
And so I don't know what else we could provide other than if you wanted to write another motion to the judge and see if you can get a response.
Okay. I know you're not supposed to give legal advice, but is there any special title that I might file it under? Just a response or cause, show of cause perhaps, or show of cause for dismissal? Is there any special?
As far as I know, we don't usually get any type of motions like that, so you're more than welcome to write it however you want.
Okay.
And we'll get that forward with the judge.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your help this afternoon, Micky. I appreciate you.
Of course. I hope you have a wonderful and safe day, Dante.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.